Hello friends, so today I am going to show you uh, how to connect Oracle client and Tor developer. So the problem is we could not able to connect the database via Tor developer. So my problem is quite different, and we have already uh, done R&D for that, and we come to know that how to resolve it. And let's see here. I'm going to open the Tor so you can understand what was the problem here. So Tor is opening right now. Okay, yeah, so you can see the Tor here, and if you see the connect using section, there is a Oracle root, means there is no Oracle client installed here. And if you see the SQLnet editor, TNS names editor, and LDAP editor, everything is cross marked. That means there is no file or no client installed and no connection to the database. So how to resolve it? For that we need to install the Oracle client. So first download the Oracle client edition from Oracle website. So Oracle client, you just give Oracle client 10.2.0.5 download. So you can go to the Oracle client Oracle website and download it from there. You can find here the versions, and let's go down. Okay, so here you can find the versions 10.2.0.5 32-bit edition. So you can download it and extract it, and I will tell you where we can place this file. So so this is the correct versions. You can see the yeah, this is the correct versions which you need to download it. So instant client, basic, Windows. Yeah, so it's already downloaded, and I have extracted in C drive. You can see the C drive here. So once you will extract, this folder will come like instant client 10._2. So you can see the all file and folders are there. Okay, now we need to open the Tor again. Okay, all files are there. Okay, let's set up the system variable. So it will redirect to the Oracle client and Tor, so it will join there. So what you need to do, you need to go to this new system variable path, and you can set the variable name. So variable name should be TNS_admin, and variable value is your path, which is the C drive path, which where we have placed the folder, instant client folder. Okay, so it's set up. Now we are going to set up the path. So system variable path. So what we need to do, we just copied the path and paste it into the variable value. So last you can add this variable value path where yeah, C drive instant 10_2. So we have added it, and going to close this one. Okay, now let's open the Tor and see what is the result is happening here. Okay, so I'm going to open the Tor again. Tor is opening right now. Okay, so you can see that Tor window is there, and now you can see the connect using is like instant client is there. It's already installed over there. But you can see that below SQLnet editor, TNS audit, TNS names editor, LDAP is the cross mask. means I can connect the our instant client, but there is no file installed. Means what we need to do, we need to go to the database installed folder in the network admin, and we need to get the Aura file. So see the correct path for Aura file, network and admin. You can find here the TNS Aura file and SQLnet Aura file. You need to paste it, you need to copy from there, and you need to paste it into the your instant client folder, which is in C drive. So let's see there. Okay, I'm going to close the Tor now. Now I'm going to copy the SQL Aura file here. Okay, so I have copied both the file from here again. Network admin, you can see the SQLnet Aura file and TNS name Aura file. I have copied from there and pasted it into the instant client folder. See there, SQLnet Aura file and TNS name Aura file. Both file I have copied from there to here. Now again I am going to open the Toad for Oracle. Now see the what is happening here. Oh, okay, so now you can see the instant client is already connected. Connect using is perfectly showing instant client, and we can see the SQLnet editor is green button, TNS names editor is the green word. So you can give the username and password and check the database connections here. So we have given the username and password, and click on the connect button. I have already clicked. It was a bit slow because of first time connection, might be. So let's see what is happening here. Okay, so you can see here now it's already connected, and means Toad is opened here. So you can just give you some SQL statements, so we can verify whether our database is okay or not. Okay, so use the select star from, sorry for that, select star from tab is nothing but whatever the table is there, it will show you. So yeah, so it is giving the script output. You can see the number of table name is there, so that means yeah, it's perfectly connected. So this is the way we can connect, and we can set up, we can configure the Oracle client for the Toad, and that is the way we can do that. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe me, so I will bring you the lot of videos same like whatever today we had.